MuPad is a computer algebraic system originally was developed by MuPad research group at University of Paderborn, Germany. I think I've pronounced it well. And then developed was taken over by the company SciFace Softwares. Then in September 2008, SciFace was purchased by MathWorks and the MU code was included in Symbolic Math Toolbox add-on for Matlab. Uh, It's a very beautiful and elegant tool which is used to do symbolic computation rather than numerical computation. The benefit of using MuPad is that the freshman in college or a school student can explore the concepts of mathematics and physics by using this MuPad. It's very user friendly and it is has very elegant graphics and you can learn from it. I will do a couple of videos related to MuPad, like exploring the different branches of mathematics like calculus by doing integration and differentiation, then transforms just like Laplace transform, Fourier transform, and Z transform, etc. Then I will also discuss how to implement the concepts of algebra or pre-algebra in MuPad. My name is Usman Arshad and I'm just I'm just going to demonstrate you or take you the environment of MuPad. Just open Matlab and just type MuPad and hit enter. It will take a while and it will open this window over here. Let me first of all explain its GUI. From here what we enter, we can just change the font type. From here we can change its size, bold, italic, underlined, and then I can just change the size what I type, change the color what I type. Then here's new notebook. If I click it, I will center it into open it and new notebook. Here's new editor. Open. By clicking open, you can import or open things related to MuPad like these files over here. You can also just take the print of your notebook, what is on your notebook, then you can paste a lot of things and just if you click this pi sign, we will see that there are parentheses. It says that whatever you enter function, you have to enter it in these parentheses. You can evaluate functions and then gonna get help by just clicking on it. There are command, search, topics, and all those stuff over here. So let's get started with a simple number theory. And it says for 256 and it says 16. If I take the square root of -4, I will counter with an imaginary number because minus sign in square root leads to an imaginary number. If you want to know that the number is prime or not, I will just say 15. As you know, it's not a prime because it is divisible by 5 and 3. Let me edit it and add 17, as I know it's a prime, so it says a prime. Now I will plot a simple function here. The method of to giving function to the MuPad is that you do this in the equal to y colon and equal to. It means that y is equal to some kind of function. I will say this in case is sin x. So if we hit enter, the sin x will be stored in y. Then if I want to plot its graph, it's very easy. Just plot it and your variable in which sin x is stored and hit enter and you will see this graph. It's very easy and elegant and easy to use. Now I'm just going to do something beautiful and elegant. I will just put the a in front of my sin x, just my amplification factor, so that the value of sin will amplify with respect to a. As the a get bigger, the value of sin also when multiplied with a get a bigger. So hit enter and here I have a sin x and I will ask you to plot y again simply, and I will ask you to plot and take the value of x is equal to -5, -pi, 2pi, and you have to enter pi as a capital letters because in small letter it won't accept your input, and hit enter. This means that you are going from your lower limit to the upper limit. So here I have a function. As you can see by just clicking it, I have this beautiful elegant animation, and here's my just a scroll bar. So let me demonstrate it. As the value of a is negative, multiplying a negative some values with sin x, I will get some negative values, and I can say here are they. And if I enter some positive value, after here the value of a is almost 0, and if I start entering the values positive, I will see the amplitude of sine wave will start to increase and increase and increase and going up to 10. And this is taking the value of a from I think negative 5 to maybe 5, so that its amplitude can be increased. We can also just change the speed of this by natural speed to x faster or slower. If I say 4x slower and I will ask it to just run it, and it will just, as you can see, slowly transforming from the negative value of a to the positive values. This is the beauty of MuPad. By this you can very elegantly explore the concepts of mathematics and physics. Okay. I can also solve a equation by just entering that f is equal to my function x squared plus 5 into x plus 6. If I hit enter, here's my function. I will ask you to solve my function. And here's my roots, which is negative 3 and 2, because if I put negative 3 and 2 into the function, I will get 0. So here's the root of my function. You might have also noticed that if I just move my cursor to solve, I will get a syntax: solve equation x on options and with respect to the variable. So I can also solve non-linear equation by this powerful tool, by just turning these things by just having two equations simultaneously solving non-linear equations. Just stay with me and you will enjoy learning MuPad. And there is another very elegant feature in MuPad is that what you have done, if you want to export it, you can do it by just going to file and clicking export. It will open a window. There are different file formats: HTML, PDF, plain text. I will do PDF, select PDF and just enter intro and hit enter, and the thing will be intro will be saved on my desktop, and I can open it just in very natural display in portable document, as you can see. And I can just take a sprints or what I can upload it and do different stuff with it. Okay, if you're interested in finding the help of different functions, usually you have to just put the question mark and it will open MuPad help. And MuPad help, you can just search, and there are a lot of built-in function, and you can explore this function in contents, and there will be examples by which you can just put this example in your MuPad notebook, and you can see the answer of it. And it's a very easy way to learn MuPad. And if you want to just explore a function, for example, I will say Laplace, and hit enter, and it will open the Laplace and its examples over here. I will do a bunch of videos related to calculus, algebra, and transforms, so you can enjoy it. Take care. Bye.